Hello, I want to introduce you a new application for Windows Phone 7 platform called ImageMap Plus. This application can be used to view all of your images on a map of the wall. It integrates into your Pictures hub, so I'll start this example in my Picture hub. On the App tab, there is this application called ImageMap Plus. Once I click it, it starts with the default view of the map of the world and animating shows all the pictures I took and where I took them. I live in Redmond, and I haven't taken many pictures, so this view is quite limited, but you can see that I have taken some pictures here and there. I can obviously change the map type from satellite to normal map, and I can zoom out or zoom in, and if in some spot I have taken several pictures, to facilitate to choose one, I will have this nice little pop-up that will allow me to choose one picture I want to view. Once I click the picture, I get into a separate page called exif view page. So on this page I can see the name, album where it starts, and the size of the picture. I can see picture full screen. I can see location information stored in this picture, like latitude, longitude, and elevation. So I can see that I have taken this here. I can also click on the map to edit location, so I can click in some spots if I want to modify the location. I can see information about graphics of this graphical properties of this image. I can see description, so every JPEG image can carry special tags called exif tags, and it shows information about camera, last software that edited this image, and you can add or edit additional information like who is the author of this image, what is the copyright, what if you want to put some description or comment, and some professional photographers do that, so you can do that now too. In camera tab, you get information about camera that was used to take this picture. So in my case, this camera is my phone, and it automatically will search the web to show you additional information about that camera. And finally, full info tab shows all exif information that was extracted from the image. So it's not really interesting in this case because this image I took myself, so I know everything, but it's a lot more interesting because I can also choose additional pictures I download from internet or anywhere in my hub of pictures from Facebook. For example, I can look at this picture that was taken by famous Russian nature photographer, and this is a picture of a bear, so I can choose it and see all exif information about that. So full information contains a lot more info there because it's a professionally taken picture by a professional camera that saves a lot of additional information about how it was taken, like did it use flash, what was the lens of the lens, what was the aperture value, and all like f-stop number, exposure time, all this information. I can obviously also see the picture, and I can see location. There is no location because location was not stored with this image, but what I can do is let me rename this picture to something more useful. So 1 second, let me rename this picture to be bear. And in location information, I know that it was taken approximately somewhere in Kamchatka, so I will search for Kamchatka on the map. So it automatically scroll and find Kamchatka. Then I can additionally use my finger to tap somewhere to modify this information to something more appropriate. So I know that it was taken inside the national park, about maybe here. So I'll click here and assume this is the location of their picture is taken. And I can obviously see the coordinates it got for this location. I can again see graphics information. I can see additional information that was saved. So I know that the name of the photographer and the last software he used to edit it and description of the picture. I can add my own comment like geotag by me, and I can see information about camera that this guy is using. So it's a professional Nikon camera. You can get a page to see more information about that camera. I can see f-stop, focal length, ISO speed, all these things like flash, scene type, and obviously I can see full info too. So now that I have seen all that and I have made some edits, I can save it. So I click save and it was saved to camera roll. There is a setting where I can change if I want to set it to camera roll or saved pictures, what type of GPS coordinates I want to see and how the map should look like. So let me go back to original map view. And now because in this map view I added this new picture to the map, because I edited geographical information for it, I can click reload. It will look for my pictures again, and you can see this bear is now on the map in Russia and all my other pictures are in America. So I can see all that. I can scroll and see them on a map and focus on one particular area or something. Additionally, integration to Pictures Hub is full, so actually I can not only start it from there, but I can go to my albums and go to any album I have in my, for example, my Facebook albums. I can see this picture of a deer. Maybe I'm curious about this picture, and I can go here and save it to phone, and once it's saved to phone, I can use my app to view information about